Triple A grade phone pass. I'm Elaine from Shenzhen, China, your direct supplier for 100% OEM phone repair pass. We help phone repair shops and tech resellers worldwide save money without sacrificing quality. Certified product pass. Send OEM quality by lower budget. 15 years in Huaqiang Bay market. 2 warehouses, 0 middleman. Risk-free start. Order 1 sample piece. Shockproof package and real-time tracking. 24 hours, 7 days in support. Talk to real humans, not bots. English-speaking team with live video verification. Need screens? Got every mode. Need cameras? Shocked for all phones. Back glass and housing fixed for your repair shop. 100% approved, 0% hazard.